channel, guys. I hope you like what you see. Today we're gonna drag race a 1000. Spoiler alert, the 600 keeps up with it with a clutch kit. We don't want to tell Nathan that though. I'm glad he didn't put his clutch kit in today, because he would have spanked me. He would have spanked me. This video is sponsored by www.CFMOTOUSAparts.com. Discount code capital RedNeck. Get on over there. Check out all your favorite parts, accessories. If you need a machine, they got you covered. If you need a camper, they got you covered. If you need a lawnmower or anything like that, they got you covered, boys. They made me get money! That's true. Gotta put it through everything. Oh, yeah. Even drag race the 1000 and keep up with him, you know, till he gets a clutch kit. Then I'm royally screwed. Nathan's gonna rip it and let us know what the clutch kit, what he likes about it. We could have got your clutch kit in yours.
Barely have to touch the throttle.
Yeah, breaks them loose. Heck yeah.
That right there would be the biggest thing for me. Doesn't fucking very well.
Yeah, it don't, yeah. Heck yeah. 600, we're gonna hit it together and probably get really muddy. I'd wipe out the thing, but you know,
This thing started jerking.
is it jerking?
When I put it in gear.
Yeah. Oh, you in 4-wheel? 2-wheel and it's jerking? Huh.
It just did it back there when I tried to back up. It was like it had, like the RPMs were like up, and I tried to.
Did you get water in your, you know what?
No.
When I got stuck in that hole and I did my clutch kit, there was water in my shit. There's probably water in there now. Yeah.
That belt slipping is what it is.
It could be. Well, guys, we, you know, not snorkeled. We probably shouldn't be doing it. But the only thing that was really important is the intake. So yeah, guys, we found the honey hole out here. And I think next time we come out, we're gonna have to get some snorkels or something.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, that's a lot of, I mean, you can go through it, but we were slamming through it and got water in places water shouldn't go. She's out here running the little PW50, full ripper, dude.
And
It is.
Yeah.
I'll call you back later because I can't.
If she wasn't afraid of it, man, you'd see it. It'd get up and move. So yeah, guys, we're just out here testing clutch kit, man. It's doing great, doing what I thought it would do. And man, yep, I'm gonna leave her in there. We're not gonna go any more aggressive than that. It's plenty aggressive. I'm gonna put some 27s or some 28s on it. Probably 27s because I like to keep that bottom end torque. So I think that's what we're gonna do, man. Was in low, second run was in high. He was in high both times. His CForce 1000 is stock. Mine has a clutch kit. So a RedNeck garage clutch kit. Keeps up with that 1000 mighty freaking nicely, man, I must say.